My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-up schema by the site Startrenewf2.click. Startrenewf2.click is a dangerous site. It is dangerous because it displays pretty misleading and junk alerts that try to scare you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. These pop-ups by Startrenewf2.click claim to be related to the well-known security application, but this is absolutely not true. Such pop-ups are fake, and they can be the result of certain adware enabled on your computer. If you see these pop-ups by Startrenewf2.click, do not interact with them. Just leave this deceptive page. Do not trust these deceptive alerts. As I said before, such pop-ups could be the result of some adware on your computer, so you need to leave this page, and also I recommend you to additionally investigate your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. By going to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and start carefully examining the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.